If you are facing problem Steam stuck on loading screen and not opening, to fix it, go to search menu and type Task Manager. Click on Open it. Set Steam, everything and task. Once you're done, go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam and select Open File Location. Again, right click and select Open File Location. Now press in keyboard Alt plus A to select all. Hold the Control key in the keyboard and deselect this steam.exe and scroll up. Select this user data and Steam apps. Deselect three of this and then right click and select delete option. Once you deleted other things, double click on the steam.exe and wait for this to done. Once this done, log into your account. And that's how I fixed this Steam stuck on loading and not opening problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.